Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Sending love to the new subscribers and the old subscribers. Hope your Memorial Day was great. Well, I didn't get out. All I did was stay in and create some more amazing jewelry pieces. So I'm going to share with you what I created today. Some earrings. I did 1, 2, 3 pairs of earrings and a 20-inch necklace. These on another video. And these are some bracelets that I had already made, so I paired them off with this to make it a set. So I'm going to go through the tools that I use. This is for everybody or any newbie that may want to create something like this. These are long nose pliers. I call them needle nose because they have that little tiny end that fits really good, and you could grip O-rings, I call jump rings, or you could open and close chains, jump rings, split rings, or whatever type of ring that you're working with a fine point. So I use these. I also use these round nose pliers, any round nose pliers to do. And these are flat nose pliers. I use these also in the projects to help close off the jump rings. And these earrings were made with memory wire. The smaller ones, I cut the memory wire a little bit shorter than I would like a regular hoop. And this is the memory wire that I used. And I think this is, I might have gotten this out of probably Michael's. But I've had it for a while, so I don't know the brand. But whatever Michael's sell, this is the memory wire. And it's like it's a pretty good grade. It's not the thickest wire. This might be like a 1.8. Just a neutral, memory wire. But you could do many projects. And I use these to cut my memory wire. Also, my smaller ones, I messed those up because I didn't know what I was doing, y'all. And I messed them up. So I had to go back to these. So, and I use this chain. When I get to the earrings, I'll show you that also. And these are some of the beads. These are like 6mm red wooden beads. I got these from my bead man and here in Greenville. And I got these are Michael's. Not Michael's, but Hobby Lobby. And these are also Hobby Lobby. I got these on sale for like $2.49 way back when. And these were just hanging on my bead wall. So, and these came from my bead man too, I think. But they were on my bead wall too, so I think that's where I got those from. So we're going to put those right there. And this is the chain that I used for my earrings. And like I said, these were already pre-made. And these will match that necklace set perfect. So let's get into it. Now I used memory wire, and I'm using these right here for the ear wires. These are pretty good. These are stainless steel, and I got these out of Hobby Lobby. Right there. And that's what I'm using for the ear wires. And they seem to be doing pretty good. And these are a butterfly, seed bead, howlite, and red, these chips. Probably red jasper earrings right here. And I just put the little butterfly on the side. And I got those little butterfly beads a few years ago. But I think they sell those. These are Joann's. I might have got them out of Joann years and years ago. And I didn't measure these, but these aren't large. They like a medium size hoop, a good size hoop. So when I make my memory wire earrings now, I kind of cut it down so they won't be too big. Sometimes I don't like the earring too big, so I just cut them, the memory wire down to this size right here. But I don't have my measuring tape so I can tell you the exact size. But they turned out lovely. So I made that pair. And I also made these. But I hope you guys are doing good. I hope I asked you that. These are my chain memory wire earrings. Now these are a smaller hoop. You can see the difference and the size. And I don't have my my tape measure, so I can measure these also. And I also use the same beads on these, except for I got a little color bead. I got those beads from my bead man. No, I didn't. I got them from Joann's. The little yellow bead. And those little green round beads I got from Hobby Lobby. But the red beads from my bead man. And the little brown bead, that came in a bead strand also. So what I chose, I think these are so cute. So what I did was I used this chain to add just a little bit more interest to the earring. I'm over here trying to get creative, y'all. How about that? And I used some of my smaller charms that I got from Temu in there. And this one says Dream. Both of them are like Dream. I dropped inside there. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think they turned out awesome. I love that chain design in there with the charm inside the earring. So you can let me know what you think. Let's see, I'm going to take them all and just give you another good look. I think they're just awesome. I love them. Like I said, I'm over here trying to be more creative, trying to, exalt a little bit more creativity. Okay. So we got that. And we're going to go to these. Now, this earring also is a smaller version. You could pair that with this set also. Matter of fact, this can be paired with it also. And this is the whole set right there. So this is like this is like a 4-piece set, guys. But these white cream howlite beads are awesome if you're going to do like a Southwest project. But they are gorgeous. Even the little smaller ones. So let's get to the earrings. Check these out, guys. I did the chain deal in there also, but this one is not loose like the other one is. And on the end, I put a smaller charm that says, Believe. I'm doing a lot of inspirational right now, and I'll also be working with more of the gemstones. I'm called to work more with gemstone designs too. So that should be interesting. So I'll be talking more about the gemstones. But it is just cute. Just darling. I love it. And these are like medium-sized earrings also. Get you a good look at them. They're just beautiful. Now this chain is also the same chain that I used on both of the earrings. And I also used about 2 inches of chain right here. This is my first time using chain like this. But this is an old pendant that I've had maybe a couple of years. I think I got this pendant out of Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and I'm beginning to love it because I thought this pendant has like a southwestern feel to it. So I just merely did it, and I did like 5 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 5 rows of 4 sets of beads to finish this look, guys. I'm hoping you can see that. And I think it turned out awesome. Now, let me tell you what I did with the back, because I wanted this to go over the head. And I used like a stretch from Hildy and Joy. It's like a stretch cord that you could do. I guess you could do the big beaded bracelet with it, because I had trouble feeding through these little small beads because it always flared at the end. But let me show you the back. And I just finished the back off with a row of brown rosary beads. And this will go over the head. So what I had to do was, let's take it off. Yeah, see how it stretches? This stretches. So let me show you. I had to close it off with these little hooks that I made. And I made the bead hole bigger. You know how you would just do like thread your regular bead? And I had to put a bead cap on this one because a little bit of the ending was showing. So I said, I know how to fix that. So this is how that turned out. And it turned out awesome. And I used some glue on it also to make sure that it stayed in that bead. You can see a little bit sticking out. But all I do is do this and it, covers it up. But this is my first time designing something like this, guys. And I like it. So I may do a few more designs like this. If I have, more beads like that. More focal. But let me know what you guys think in the comment. I think it turned out awesome. I really do. Not just because I made it. And I love the coloration. And I love these earrings. With the chains in. With the chain and charm earrings. That's what they're going to be called. But guys, this is 12 minutes. I don't want to hold you guys up. Thank you for viewing this video. And please, guys, continue to like and share and send me more people to my channel, please. I greatly appreciate it. I think that's it. And y'all have a blessed, beautiful, blissful night. Thanks again.